In a world driven by visuals, imagination, and experiences, who leads? The ones who don't just consume creativity, they build it. Welcome to the School of Multimedia at Lovely Professional University. From animation, VFX, gaming, design, UI, UX to digital media, LPU students build real-world creative experiences from semester 1. With the EduRevolution, 50% of learning is hands-on through live projects, studios, creative labs, and portfolio building. At LPU, students don't just learn tools. They create worlds, stories, and immersive experiences. Learn from industry professionals shaping global media, animation, gaming, and design industries. Build cinematic animations, interactive games, digital designs, and AR/VR experiences, all within one of India's largest and most vibrant campuses. When it comes to careers, LPU delivers. Students step into leading creative studios, gaming companies, design agencies, and global media firms. Many go on to work on films, games, global campaigns, and digital productions. And here's the difference. Students don't wait to graduate to earn. They start earning while they learn through live projects, collaborations, and creative work opportunities. They graduate not just job ready, but industry ready, future ready. Because here, creativity is not just a skill, it becomes a profession. Join LPU School of Multimedia.